Okay guys, my name is Dmitry, and in this lesson I'm gonna show you the basic commands which you can use in Linux. Okay, let's get started. In this lesson we will be using those 7 commands. First of them is whoami. Whoami is showing you the current user. Hostname is showing you the current hostname, and also hostname command will allow you to see the DNS name. The date command is it can show you the current date, and also the date command is using for users, for examples, to manage their passwords. Uname will allows you to show the current kernel version or Linux version. The next command is passwd. Passwd allows you to manage passwords. The next command is touch. The touch command allows you to create empty files. And the last one is the last command. The last command will allows you to see which users been logged to the system. So let's get started on practice. The first command is whoami. As you can see, whoami shows me the name Frost. The Frost is the current username. So if I type whoami and dash help, that the help will allows me to see which options I can use with whoami. With whoami I can use dash help and dash version. So let's use whoami dash version, and if I type dash version, the system shows me that I currently have whoami 8.32 version. Okay, let's press Ctrl L, and then we need to see the hostname command result. Hostname. If I type hostname, that you can see that I have Frost virtual machine name. So my hostname is Frost virtual machine. So if I type host name minus help, I can see that hostname have more options than the previous command. For example, let's talk about the first and second command. The first command is using lowercase a letter, and the second command is using a uppercase letter. So in the Linux, uppercase and lowercase is matters, because, for example, if you type the command with uppercase or lowercase letter, for example, if you type the minus a with lowercase, you can see alias name, and with lowercase you can see all long host names. Okay, let's press Ctrl L and let's press the upper arrow key to return to previous command, and then press the pipe and less. Less is the pager that allows you to see more commands. For example, a pager can show you the usage of that command, the program name, and the program option name. To navigate in these files, you can use up and down arrow keys. To navigate down, I can press the down arrow key, and if I wanna end, I need to press Q. So the next command in our list is the date. So if I type date, I can see my current date and current time. For example, let's type date dash help dash help, and we can see all examples with date command. So let's type, for example, date dash version pipe less. Okay, so sorry, date dash help pipe less, and you can see the more options with the date command. So I just type Q. So the next command is our list is passwd. Passwd, and for now the command is required to type me the current password, so I type the current password for you guys. And now I need to type new password for user, but I don't want to do it, so I type my current password and I type it again and I type it again. Okay, so let's clear and open passwd dash help. As you can see, the passwd option can be used with login options. So for example, let's try to use passwd and if you type passwd -- help pipe less strange. Okay, so let's type passwd dash root, for example. Passwd dash root. As you can see, root requires an argument. Look, we cannot change the password right now because we need to see from the local user to administrator user. So in the Linux, root user is administrator. So firstly, we need to switch from local to administrator user. For that, we need to type sudo -i command and type the current username. Look, for Ubuntu, that users is not separate, is not almost separated, but for change privileges from local to root user, you need to use sudo -i command. So if I type passwd, then you can see that I can use that command. And guys, I just type numbers, so because I don't wanna change my password now. So to return from root to local user, we need to type quit. Sorry. Close, and if I open terminal, so sudo -i and we need to switch sudo switch user. Quit. Okay, so sorry, I not remember how to switch. For now, in Ubuntu, I will show it in next lesson. Right now we need to use another commands. So another command is touch. To use it, for example, I show you a little bit in other commands. So let's do it a little bit bigger. So firstly, we need to use pvd to show print working directory. For example, I want to create a txt list file on desktop. For that, I need to locate desktop directory. So if I type ls-l, right now I can see that the desktop directory is located in home -frost directory. So to create, for example, list txt file, I need to switch to desktop directory. For doing that, I need to type cd -desktop. Look, guys, I type desktop with lowercase to show you that uppercase is matter. So if I now press, just type it with uppercase, and now it should work. Desktop. pvd ls-l cd -desktop Okay, cd desktop. Guys, sorry, we should type without dash. So now we need to create file. So Ctrl L and just type pvd again. So now we are located on -home -frost -desktop directory. So the last one is -desktop directory. So now we need to create file. So for that we need to type touch list txt. Okay, file is created. So if I go to desktop, I can see the empty list txt file. And the last command is last. So if I type last, there you can see the last users who was logged on the system, and the last reboot also information. So guys, this is all for the tutorial. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.